So it's cooling down.
Hi, and welcome back. I think this evening we're just gonna kind of finish up what we started. Got the wedge, put it in, and we got cats in here again. And put that back piece on. Probably gonna blow through quite a bit of that, I believe. So we'll just keep going back till we find some good metal to weld to. Mr. Chester. Hopefully won't be too big a problem tonight. Usually when the angle grinder starts up, he gets out of here. We'll be cutting some metal, doing some welding, and hopefully by the end of the video we'll be spraying some rust reformer on that area. That's all I got planned tonight. I mean, I don't think it'll be a long video, but who knows if I get into it that one side. May have to go all the way back to the tub. Well, let's head over there and get to work.
And my plan is to put a piece of metal on this hole, weld a little bit more back on this side, and this is what gave me some concern. So I'm afraid I'm going to blow through a bunch right through here, but like I said, if we have to, we'll cut it back as far as we need, put another piece of metal in there, weld it in, and then attach the side to it. And I'm probably going to round off these corners a little bit better, but that's all I got planned tonight, so let's get to it. Well, we didn't get to the painting portion of it, but that went in pretty nice. Just a little bit of a dip there, but I think we can make it work, and it's pretty smooth. I think maybe a little bit of filler in here helped that a lot. This I rounded a little bit, needs a little bit more. This side I need more tacked in and up here. But like the other night, my back is killing me, so I'm gonna, it's cooling down. Probably gonna call it here. Probably gonna wire wheel it and sand it down, make it more smooth with all these little gouges in it. Try to get it where it's looks better. But yeah, all in all, I don't think it went too terrible tonight.
That's all I got for you tonight. See you next time.